everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name's Katie. I hope you are doing well. Yes, I know I've been on a little bit of a hiatus, but I am back. We have been in self-isolation for a few weeks, so obviously with the current situation going on in the world at the moment, you all kind of understand. So today's video, obviously I can't go out and do any thrift shopping or go to the charity shops, so I'm going to show you some of my favourite upcycles. So if you want to see some of my favourite upcycles, then keep on watching. So one of the first things I've upcycled is a pair of shoes, and I've had these sitting on my bookshelf for ages. So here's what they would have looked like. They had the studs in already, but what I have done is I have popped on some aluminium foil on the bottom there, just on the platform, and then hot fixed some crystals just in this little bit here and on this side here. And then also I had a necklace that I don't wear, and it's got all these skulls on, so I've attached those to the zip. So that is the first pair, and the thing that kind of inspired me to this was the Alexander McQueen style shoes. So this is one thing that I have upcycled, and I absolutely love these. Okay, so the next thing is this jacket. It's just a normal tweed jacket from Next. I got it for £1. I need to get a debobbler, so or a debobblerizer, whatever you want to call it, but I want to get something just to kind of get rid of the bobbles on here. But in the meantime, I did actually just applique a fantastic patch just on the back here, just to create a little bit of difference. So you kind of all business in the front and a little bit of fun on the back, and I absolutely love that. It's just like a sequined lace and like a kind of like lace work around the edge as well. So I just sewed that on, and I absolutely love how that turned out. This next item actually is something that I saw on Pinterest a while ago, and I just loved it, and I thought it was actually quite funny. So it's literally just my normal coat. I got this coat from eBay for £1.95 actually, and it's just a military style coat, but on the back it says "Stop following me." And I tell you what, I have had so many comments on this coat whenever I wear it. It is so funny. It makes people smile, it makes people laugh, and I'm so glad that I can do that. Now, I love going into charity shops and finding men's trousers. I don't know why. I think the tailoring on men's trousers are much better than female trousers. I don't know why. They've got deeper pockets, higher waist, I suppose. And I got these beauties, these pinstriped wool male trousers or men's trousers, and I have got a video, I shall link it below, and I literally just took them up. So I cut them and then hemmed them just there, just to take them up. They sit just above the ankle line, so then when you're wearing boots or socks, something like that, you can see them, and they're so comfortable. Obviously just a winter wear because they're wool, but really, really good, and they're so comfortable. They fit so well, and they're just so comfortable. So that is all of my upcycles. Well, not all of them. I do have some others, but we shall save that for another video. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you are all keeping well and staying safe. You look after yourselves. You look after everybody else. The world is your catwalk. And remember, keep creating. And if you're not subscribed, please do subscribe. That would be fantastic. So, see you soon.